The inner flange works with the nut to secure the grinding disc to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch non-threaded hole and a 7/8 inch hub to accept standard grinding wheels. Over time, the hub can wear, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the inner flange is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the grinding wheel from the grinder. I'll depress the lock button and use the spanner wrench to remove the nut. Now remove the wheel and the inner flange. Now I can replace the inner flange. You'll notice one side of the flange is tapered. The other side has the hub. The tapered side should go against the grinder's housing, so the hub is facing out. Now I can reinstall the wheel and secure it with the nut. And that's how simple it is to install a new flange on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.